What matters most when you're shopping for a laser measure? We know it really comes down to two things: reliability and accuracy. That's why today, we have handpicked two of the solid options that are suitable for both DIY and professional jobs: the Mileseey S50 and the Bosch GLM165-27CGL. Although they promise high accuracy, durable builds, and practical features, we have found some areas where both the tool differs. So, instead of just looking at the specs in isolation, let's walk through each aspect step by step and see how these two laser measures compare in everyday use. At first, the accuracy and performance, because this is where a laser measure proves its worth. And in terms of that, both the measuring tools deliver professional-grade accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 of an inch, which is exactly what you'd expect at this level. The difference lies in how they maintain that accuracy. For example, the S50 uses Mileseey's advanced power burst technology to deliver fast, stable, and precise measurements even in challenging environments. It also features a green laser, just like Bosch. But what makes the S50 stand out is its ability to stay accurate and responsive in conditions where most green lasers struggle. Whether you're working under bright sunlight, in dusty areas, or in extreme heat, it maintains consistent performance without signal drops or delays. Whether you're working in bright sunlight, dusty surroundings, or extreme temperatures, the S50 consistently delivers accurate results without slowdown or signal drop. That's where Mileseey truly stands out. It not only matches the visibility of Bosch's green laser, but also pushes past the usual technical barriers that limit other devices. Out on real construction sites, things rarely go as smoothly as they do in a lab. You've got bright sunlight, dust flying around, the occasional drizzle, and sometimes you're trying to measure over 200 feet on uneven, low-reflective surfaces. These are exactly the kinds of conditions that test how reliable a distance meter really is. Now here's one big difference right off the bat. The S50 can measure up to 400 feet, while the Bosch 27CGL tops out at 165. So in terms of range alone, the S50 already has a clear edge. To see how they actually perform, we took both devices to a few typical job site scenarios. In bright outdoor light, we tested them at 20 meters, 30 meters, and 50 meters. The Bosch 27CGL struggled quite a bit, frequently showing errors or unstable readings, while the S50 stayed rock solid and accurate every single time, which honestly surprised us. Next, we tried them again in light rain, and the results were almost identical. Bosch readings dropped off or became inconsistent, but the S50 kept performing steadily without a hitch. Now let's talk about something else without the numbers: the size and handling of the Mileseey S50. This tool combines a good balance between protection and portability. Even with the rugged shell, it doesn't feel bulky in your hands. Plus, it's compact enough to slip into your pocket and light enough to carry around all day without noticing it. More importantly, the grip feels secure, and Mileseey provides multiple reference points, including front, rear, tripod mount, and even laser line alignment. This makes tricky measurements, like when you're working around curved pipes or in tight corners, much more manageable. In comparison, Bosch also delivers a compact and easy-to-hold design, but it doesn't offer as many reference options. That means Mileseey gives you a little more flexibility in those awkward measurement scenarios. Now let's look at usability, because all the accuracy in the world won't matter if the display is hard to read. The S50 comes with a 2.4-inch IPS screen, which is bigger than what you usually see on laser measures. The display is clear, the fonts are large, and you even get the option to switch between black and white backgrounds depending on lighting. That means you can read it just as easily indoors or outside in full sunlight. Bosch also offers a strong showing here with its backlit color display, which provides sharp resolution and is especially useful when working in low light or no light situations. Both displays get the job done, but Mileseey shines in outdoor readability, while Bosch has the advantage when you're working in dim or dark spaces. However, the S50 measuring tool comes with multiple measurement reference points like front, rear, tripod mount, and even laser line alignment. But Bosch here only provides top, bottom, and tripod options. Now, the measurement features. For precise results, the S50 comes with 18 different measurement modes and 8 unit options, which cover everything from simple distance readings to more advanced functions like wall area, cylinder volume, and multiple Pythagorean calculations. Its standout feature is the P2P technology, which lets you measure the distance between 2 points without physically touching them. This is extremely handy when you're dealing with points that are high up or blocked by obstacles. Bosch, meanwhile, offers real-time live measuring, where the numbers adjust as you move closer or farther. It also includes functions like adding or subtracting measurements for quick on-site calculations. Interestingly, the S50 covers all of these same features too, but with faster response and higher precision, which makes it just as versatile while delivering more consistent performance overall. In side-by-side tests under bright daylight, the S50 can still measure accurately and keep the laser dot visible at around 50 meters. But we didn't get similar feedback from the Bosch's one, it just started showing errors much earlier. When it comes to smart connectivity, both tools bring something useful to the table. The Mileseey S50 connects with the Smart Life app, allowing you to sync your measurements to a phone or tablet in real time. From there, you can export data to Excel or even images, which makes reporting and sharing much easier. It also stores 30 records locally with unlimited cloud storage through the app. And Bosch also includes app support with the Measure On app, which focuses more on project management. With it, you can create digital overviews, attach photos, floor plans, and notes to your measurements. Another important point is how these devices handle power. The Mileseey S50 gives you flexibility by allowing 2 power options. You can use the included 1,800 mAh nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery, which charges through USB-C, or swap in standard AA batteries if needed. This means you're never stuck waiting for a recharge because you can just pop in fresh AAS. Bosch, in contrast, runs on built-in rechargeable battery, but doesn't give you the same swappable option. So, you have to decide based on your needs. Now, you know everything about the laser measure. But we won't skip the durability part of the tool. The Mileseey S50 is encased in rugged engineering plastic with IP54 dust and water resistance, which means it's an ideal partner for construction, interior design, and demanding DIY projects. In practice, that means you can toss it in your tool bag, bring it to a construction site, or even use it outdoors without worrying about babying the tool. On the other hand, the Bosch GLM165 is also made for job site use, and it comes with an IP65 rating. This protects it against dust and water as well, ensuring it won't let you down in harsh conditions. However, when we place them side by side, the S50 still feels a little more rugged and offers better impact resistance. Bosch is tough too, but Mileseey looks like it can take more punishment without showing wear. Finally, let's think about who will benefit most from each tool. The Mileseey S50 is clearly built for professionals who need durability, versatility, and consistent accuracy no matter the conditions. At the same time, advanced DIY users who want professional-grade results will also appreciate it. Bosch, meanwhile, caters to those who want a reliable, straightforward tool with a strong emphasis on visibility and app-based project organization. If you often work indoors or want everything neatly tied into a digital project overview, Bosch may be the better fit. But if your work often takes you outdoors, we'd give Mileseey the edge. In the end, both the Mileseey S50 and Bosch GLM165-27CGL are reliable choices, but they serve slightly different priorities. We have discussed almost everything about them, what they offer, and how they differ. Now, the ultimate decision comes down to your specific requirement and your budget. Let us know which one you found more reliable and why. We'd love to know your say on both the laser measure. Thank you.